Okay. We have the TS35 mechanical keyboard. It's a one-hand keyboard. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing today. So yeah, here we go. It's really light, that's pretty sick. Okay, the instructions. So, move my old keyboard out of the way. And this is pretty much all there is to it. Let's see what type of keys it is. It's blue switches. It's pretty good. It's really small, which is nice, so it opens up a lot of desk room. And I really like this hand pad right here. It's pretty comfortable. A lot of sounds nice. So we'll plug it in and see how it looks. Okay, we got it all plugged in. It looks pretty sick. I mean, it's RGB. It's pretty comfortable, honestly. I really like it. I'm gonna go into settings and see if you can change the colors of it, but I'm pretty sure it only stays like this. So yeah, sounds really nice, feels good. So now we'll just play a couple games with it. Okay, so I really like it. It feels good. I definitely like it more than my other keyboard because it's not mechanical. So this isn't actually mine, it's a buddy of mine. I'll leave his YouTube channel down in the description. But I'm thinking about actually getting this keyboard because I really like it. And my old one's not mechanical and stuff and just kind of old. So definitely if you're looking for a cheap, just small mechanical keyboard that doesn't break the budget, I would definitely go with this one. And like and subscribe, guys. I can't stop.